Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to install ArcGIS Pro 2.8 on your PC. Let's get started. So, I have the file in this folder. Let me maximize it. This is it, ArcGIS Pro 2.8. The first thing is to extract it. To do that, just right click and extract file. Click on OK. Here enter the password GGS and click on OK. The extraction may take few seconds. Yes, the extraction is completed and here is it. So to start the installation, double click to open it. And here is it. In this file, we have 3 sets of files here, 2 files and another folder. So we are starting with the first one. To install it, just double click to launch the installation. It will bring this interface. If you like, you can change the destination folder, but I want to leave it at my C drive. Then click on Next. It will bring this message because I have previously installed this software on this system. That's why it's bringing this information. So just check this box and click on Yes, overwrite it. It will bring this interface. Uncheck this and click on Close. The next thing after that action, let's restore this our installation folder. Let's bring it here. Then open another file explorer. You can just press Window E to open another file explorer and bring it at the other side. Then come to Documents. Then look for ArcGIS Pro 2.8, which is this. Immediately you install that first one, it will create this folder here. So double click to open it. Double click to open this, and here you will see these files here. So come to this ArcGIS Pro, double click to launch it. It's preparing the installation. So it will bring this page. Click on Next. Click Next. Here, accept the master agreements and click Next. Here you can specify the user, whether for all user or owner. So I'm going for all users and click Next. Here it will bring this interface. Click Next. Here you can leave this or uncheck it and click Install. So this installation is going to take several minutes, but wait patiently for it. If you are installing it, please follow all the steps I'm showing you in this video, because if you skip step, it may not work correctly. This process takes several minutes, so one has to be patient with it and make sure that your system or your laptop is connected to the power source. Yes, the process is completed. Now uncheck this box and click on Finish. Then we can now close this very page. Now let's bring back our installation folder. This is where our installation file is. Let's maximize it. Then come to this very folder, double click it, and here you will see these two AF core files. Copy the two, right click and copy. Then go to start icon and look for ArcGIS. Here is ArcGIS. Click, scroll down, and you see ArcGIS Pro. This is ArcGIS Pro. Right click it, come to more, and come to open file location. Yes, this is the file location. However, right click this ArcGIS Pro and click on open file location again. Then let's maximize here. Right click here and paste the AF core files we copied. Paste it. Then it will tell you that the destination has two files with the same name. So just click replace the files in the destination. Click continue. Yes, that is done. We can close this page. Then come to this LIC. Right click it and click on merge. Click yes. It will bring this information from the registry editor. So just click yes. Then click on OK. The next step, which is the final step, come and copy this Esri licensing. Right click and copy. Then come to your local disk. Then look for users. Here is it. Double click it. Now come to owner. In your own case, it may be your system name. You may find the system name here. So in my own system, I didn't name it, so the default name is owner. In your system, it may be the system name you will find here. So come to owner. Then come to app data here. If you can't find the app data here, come to view and make sure you check these hidden items. Check it, because if you don't check it, this app data will be hidden. You will not find it. So once you check these hidden items, you will find app data here. So double click to open it. Then come to local. Double click to open it. Then here, right click and paste the Esri licensing we copied. Paste it. Click on replace the files in the destination. Yes, it's done. So we can now close this page. Now let's launch it. To do that, come to start and look for ArcGIS. Click on the drop down and look for ArcGIS Pro. And here it is. So click to launch it. ArcGIS Pro is initializing. Yes. So let's click to start without a template. Yes, this is the interface of ArcGIS Pro 2.8. You can see everything here. So in the subsequent video, we'll be showing you how to use ArcGIS Pro for various analyses. So this is how to install ArcGIS Pro 2.8. If you like this video, kindly share it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.